Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you could use the My Item. So basically once you go to my.item.com you will be able to log in. Let me show you how this page will look like. So once you log into the my.item.com, as an account admin you will be able to see and manage your account. So once you're logged in, this is what you will see. Right, you have a page where you see your profile, you can edit your full name, you can edit the email address, company name, and any of your business details. We would also be able to see the plan that you're currently on and what's included in this plan. So right here, this user is on an enterprise plan. And these are all the features and functions that they have added into their custom plan. In this plan, the user have these supporting apps. Once you click on any of these apps, you will be able to redirect and go to this app in case you want to go in and manage this application. You also have the option to change your plan from scrolling down and change your plan right here. First, let's click on any of the supported apps that you have. This will take you to the application that you've just clicked on. You could also click here to see the rest of the applications. You don't have to navigate back. Once you click on these 9 dots, you will be able to see all of the applications that are available into your account. Now, going right through My Item, you will be able to manage your account and change your plan. So once you click on Change My Plan, of course, you could not do that because you're currently on an enterprise account, and enterprise accounts you have to reach out back to us and then we would manually change the plan for you. However, if you have a plan that is other than the enterprise plan, then you'll be able to see all the features and you'll be able to see all the other plans and then select a different plan if you would like to. Also, same will close account. So let's say you would like to close your account, you could do this and deactivate your account right here by clicking here. Once you do that, you won't be able to have access to any of your apps or any of your account data, and we're going to log down and close your account. And any money that you would have in your balance will be processed back to you and refunded to your credit card that you used on payment. And if you have another card they'd like to use for their fund, that you could contact us and we would process their fund on Discord.